Now we will see a problem which have been asked in 2008 EAMCET. A current of 2 ampere flows in an electric circuit as shown in the figure. The potential difference VR minus Vs in volts, where VR and Vs as potential at R and S respectively is first option minus 4, second option plus 2, third option plus 4, fourth option minus 2. Here circuit has been shown, you can see that on the screen, where a 2 ohm resistance enters into the circuit and same 2 ohm resistance leaves. Here there is a resistance of 3 ohm connected across PR, there is a resistance of 7 ohm connected across RQ, there is a resistance of 7 ohm connected across PS, there is a resistance of 3 ohm connected across SQ. See, this particular circuit look like a Wheatstone bridge. Whatever the question given to you with a circuit consisting of Wheatstone bridge, then the first step you have to do is whether the circuit is balanced or not, you check for that. How can you know the circuit is balanced or not? By taking P by Q equal to R by S, we can know whether the circuit is balanced or not. Here 3 by 7 is not equal to 7 by 3, therefore P by Q equal to R by S is not satisfied. Hence the given circuit is not a balanced Wheatstone bridge. If at all it is being a balanced Wheatstone bridge, I can say R and S are at same potential and potential difference between R and S will become 0. But as the given circuit is not balanced Wheatstone bridge, you cannot say potential difference across R and S is 0. So first you test for the balancing condition. If it is balanced, you need not to do anything, simply you can write the potential difference to be 0. If it is not balanced, then find the potential at R, find the potential at S, and then find VR minus Vs. Now we will proceed further. Current through each arm will be 1 ampere because the resistance across PR and RQ are connected in series with effective resistance 10 ohm. The resistances between PS and SQ are again connected in series with effective resistance 10 ohm. These two 10 ohm resistors are connected in parallel at P. Therefore, whatever the current entering at P will divide into two equal parts. Hence, current through each arm, that is PRQ and PSQ, will be each of 1 ampere. Now, we are saying that current from P to R is 1 ampere, then current from R to Q is also 1 ampere because they are connected in series. Therefore, I can write Vp minus Vr as current, that is 1 into resistance 3, therefore 3 volt. Similarly, Vp minus Vs can be written as 7 volt. Therefore, we have Vp minus Vr 3 volt, let us take it as first equation. Vp minus Vs as 7 volt, let us take it as second equation. From equation 1 and 2, you will get Vr minus Vs as plus 4 volt. Therefore, correct option would be 3. Students, here what exactly we have learned is, check whether the given bridge is balanced Wheatstone bridge or not. If the bridge is balanced Wheatstone bridge, simply you can say across R and S potential difference is 0. If the bridge is not balanced, then find the potential at R and potential at S and then find out VR minus Vs.